Don't ever pull fire alarms in public buildings. Don't do that, because if you pull a fire alarm for fun, you'll get into a lot of trouble. So don't ever do that. Don't just walk up to a fire alarm and do something like this. Doing that can get you arrested. And don't flip this switch up, because doing that can actually set the alarm off. If you do this, the alarm will go off, so don't ever do it. Ever. Because if you pull a fire alarm for fun, you will get arrested by the police. Like, if you're in school and you see a fire alarm, don't do something like this. Because if you do that in school, you can get suspended or expelled. You might get arrested, or you might get grounded by your parents. Don't use your keys and do something like this. So you lift this bar up and pull it down. Don't ever do that. Don't use your feet and do something like this. Don't ever do that. You can get into very serious trouble because it's against the law. And it's illegal. And you can go to jail for doing this. Like, if you see keys in the lock, don't touch it. Just leave it alone. Don't do stuff like this. Don't do something like this. Don't open up a police station and try to flip this up, because doing that can set the alarm off. And don't put your keys in the police station. And don't put them on the police station. Don't put them in this handle. You don't ever put any keys in the police station. And don't do something like this. No. That is not a good idea. Because if you pull a fire alarm, you'll get fined and arrested by the police. Yeah, you'll get into serious trouble for doing this. Don't do this to this thing right here. And don't take this thing off. Don't scratch the labels off. Don't take the lock off. Don't take this off. Don't disconnect the wires. Because if you disconnect the wires, you can get electrocuted. And also, don't tamper with them. Don't do something like this, and don't do this to the alarm. That won't set the alarm off, but you'll still get in trouble for doing this. And don't stick them in this part right here. You don't ever do that. Leave it the way it is. Don't pull it like this. Doing that can get you fined. Yeah, that can send you in jail. You'll get locked up in jail for doing this. Let's say if if you're at school and you do this, ooh, I don't want to go to class, so I'm just going to pull the fire alarm. Beep, 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 beep. Don't ever do that. Because that can cause people to evacuate. See, you only pull these down when there's a real fire, or if you have permission to pull it for a fire drill, or a fire alarm test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that does not conduct the fire department. But if you see these in public, don't do something like this. Don't ever do that. Even in public places with security cameras, because people can check the cameras, see who did this. I don't want to see people walking up to a fire alarm and do something like this. Because you're not supposed to do that. Ever. Don't, like, knock this thing down. Because that can actually break the alarm. And don't throw any objects at the fire alarm, don't, take a smoke detector and throw it into the fire alarm. Because if you do that, you might break the alarm, and you'll have to pay for $1 million. Get something? So if you have a water bottle, don't unscrew this cap and throw water on the alarm. No, if you throw water on the alarm, you might ruin the alarm. And don't put slime on the alarm. Because if you put slime on the alarm, that can damage the alarm. Or it can break it. And it will cause it to not activate the system. That is not good at all. I'm serious, guys. Don't ever do this. Because if I see you doing this, I'm going to go tell someone, and I'm going to let someone call the police on you. Or I'll call the police on you if you do this. And don't take this off. Don't take any of this off. Don't take this off. Don't take this off. Don't take any of this off. And don't color the alarm. Don't paint the alarm. Don't do any of that. Ever. And if you see one in a back box, leave it. Don't touch the back. If you see a pull station open, leave it alone. Don't do something like this. Because that can really set the alarm off. Don't use a screwdriver and try to take it off. Don't loosen the screws on this. Come on, I'm serious. I'm not joking. I'm really not joking at all. Because if you pull it, you might be responsible for people panicking. That's not cool. You can get in trouble for doing this. I'm serious, guys. Don't ever do this. Ever. Because you can go to jail for doing this. It's come on. Don't do this. Ever. So, yeah, I'm serious. Don't be like, ha ha ha, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Beep, 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 ha ha, yay, this is fun. What you're doing is you're putting someone else's life at risk. Because the fire department will have to respond to that false fire alarm that you pulled, and there could be a real emergency somewhere else. So thank you guys for watching, and don't do this in public buildings ever.